This promises the power of 5 serums in one, and I am a skincare junkie. I know my serums pretty well, so I'm excited to test this out. I just bought it. Comes in this really pretty box, and then this is the bottle that you get. I like the nice iridescent look to it, and then you have the little dropper here. So let's just put some on my fingertips. It has that nice iridescent glow in the formula as well. Glides on very smoothly. Feels instantly hydrating, so I love that. I'm gonna use a little bit more. It smells great too. Ooh, I love the smell. Has a nice, really soft scent to it. Putting it on my face. It feels like you need a full dropper to really get the benefits that you might want from it. You could use this day and night. It has a lot of great things in it, like collagen, AHA. Okay, my face is done. I'm gonna do the neck area. Might as well do the chest area too. You can wear this under makeup, or I love that glow it gives you. You could just wear this. So the power of 5 serums in one. I didn't want to believe the hype, but I do. This is amazing.